For this solitary matriarch, sleep ends not with the sunrise, but with a siege. She wakes to a living nightmare. Painted wolves, Africa's most efficient hunters, have encircled her. They do not attack all at once. They nip, they harass, testing the fortress of her defenses. But the hyena is not a victim to be taken lightly. She possesses a weapon of terrifying jaws are built for speed and excision. Their lower carnassials are shaped like shears, evolved not to crush, but to slice through soft tissue with surgical devastation. To stay is to die by 1,000 cuts. She makes her gamble, a desperate sprint toward the only barrier the dogs might respect, the river. She plunges into the shallows, but the water offers no sanctuary. The true secret lies in the architecture of the skull. Wide zygomatic arches anchor massive facial muscles, giving this slight frame a bite force that, pound for pound, is unrivaled on the African plains. The pack's bloodlust is absolute, and they follow her into the mud, tearing at her flanks. She pushes deeper, seeking the safety of the channel, and then she halts. Ahead, the water is not empty. Nile crocodiles, ancient, motionless, and waiting. She is trapped between the teeth of the land and the monsters of the deep. With no other choice, she turns her back to the river to face the pack one last time. A fatal mistake. It is over in a heartbeat. The dogs recoil, cheated of their prize. The river returns to silence. In this unforgiving theater, there is no room for hesitation.